4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you ever thought you could stay in space forever?
Robonaut can stay in space longer than any human ever could.
Robonaut is a humanoid robot capable of staying in space indefinitely.
You use virtual reality to control Robonaut.
The virtual reality rig consists of a visor that lets you see through the eyes of Robonaut, a vest that lets you control Robonaut's torso, and gloves that let you control his hands.
Robonaut is mainly used for repairs on the ISS.
Robonaut is used all over the ISS.
Robonaut has been out of action for a very long time due to a malfunction when they put the legs on.
But they very recently packed up Robonaut, and it should be on Earth very soon, and it should be fixed very soon.
General Motors wants to use the technology from Robonaut to make cars safer.
Robonaut completes tests in the Destiny laboratory.
I hope you learned something that you didn't know about Robonaut. Thank you.